Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get a loop or looping animations for your text on the video by CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut and prepare the project, and here I already have mine. So you can see I already have the text on my video, and this is what does my video looks like. And now let's add the animation so that this text will not seem boring. So the things that you have to do now is just activate the text clip by clicking this text button down here, and whenever it show up you just need to go click the text part, and now you just need to like jump into this down part and scrolling into the left side until you found the animations. And now you just need to go simply click the animation, and the CapCut will bring you into the animation part, and there will be like 3 sections that you can visit. And as the animation for the way how the text coming into your video, out is the animation for the way how your text will be out from the video, and looping, our loop is the animations whenever this text is stay in the whole video. So now you just need to go visit the loop and find out which animations or looping animations that you want to have for your text. And after you found it, you just need to go click it. For example, this shake. You can also adjusting the speed. So if you want to make it slow, you just need to drag it into the right side, so the text will not gonna shake dramatically. Okay, and whenever you got the correct speed, you just need to go click this checklist button, and here is the result. So that's the way how to get the looping animations for your text and video by CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.